Hi, my name is Madeline Swerdfeger. I'm currently attending Brawley Union High School, and I am an incoming junior. Ever since I was young, agriculture has always piqued my interest. As I got older, I started to focus on animal science. As a result, I decided to apply for this internship to see what other careers and options are available to me. On the first day, we were able to visit the Research and Extension Center. We got to see how they help not only our farmers with their research, but they help our community as well. On the second day, we were able to visit LIDCO. Here we got to learn about tile drainage systems, what they are and how they are applied. Aside from this, we also got to survey a field. I really loved this because we were able to use very advanced technology. On the third day, we went to Ag Commission's office. Here we learned about the process of how to detect pests, as well as the rules and regulations that people must follow to get certified. We gotta go to a gas station, Lowe's, as well as a packaging company to see the different rules that are set for each one. The next day, we gotta work with Jairo Diaz. Here we gotta test 3 different waters: drainage water, runoff water, and ditch water. We had tested for electric conductivity as well as the pH level. I really admired getting to work alongside my colleagues, as well as getting to test the new technologies to test these waters. On our 5th day, we visited U of A. Before attending this campus, I had thought of attending UC Davis or UC Irvine. However, after attending and visiting this campus, I changed my mind and decided I'd like to someday attend U of A. I found the programs that they offered and the staff to be quite lovely. I also liked the different places and resources they had available. We visited the USDA, where we got to learn how they have different programs that you can apply for, such as loans and grants for people, for example, who want to start their own business and different things like that. Then we got to visit Farm Credit, where we got to learn about how they help out our farmers to start and grow their businesses. On our 7th day, we got to visit El Toro Exporting and El Toro Feedlot. Here, we got to learn about their process in creating feed, and we got to see them feed their animals. Then we also got to see the different machinery they use to create different compacts of hay, sizes, as well as different weights. On our 8th day, we got to visit Sparkle's Sugar. It was very interesting to see how the sugar is created from going straight out of the dirt to going to the final packaged form. On our 9th day, we got to see how swim works. For swim, we got to see a lot of advanced technological advances in irrigation. It was very neat to see how they measure their water and how these systems are helping improve conserving water, as well as helping farmers to save money. Through this program, I have been able to learn a lot, and I've been able to see different agricultural careers. I would definitely recommend this program to any student because you really get an insight on agriculture careers, as well as getting to expand your knowledge and having a lot of fun while you're at it. Thanks to this program, I've been able to choose what future pathway I'd like to walk, which is going into plant science and hopefully attending U of A. Thank you to the USDA, FarmSmart, and all the companies for your time in helping me and my colleagues discover what we want to do. I'd like to give a special thanks to Stacy and Stephanie for guiding us through this program and being our mentors.